Greetings, Earthlings. We come from a world far away. I have come to invade your primitive world. Do not be alarmed. Take me to your leader.
Gotta hear. Oh!
Sure, bro!
There we go. Pizza day.
Yeah. Gotta let this warm up more. It's a little cold.
For an Irish guy, you're pretty good at this.
No. I don't know, Jack. I can't throw it like those guys on TV.
Oh, yeah. You know, I watched these guys called the, I don't know, like the Crispy Brother, Crispy Pizza. It's cool. I don't know. Just a shout out to them because I watch a lot.
Those guys are geniuses.
Yeah, they know what they're doing.
Yeah.
We'd love to have them come up here one time.
I just want to eat. I want to eat the pizza. That's what I want to do.
All right. So I was going to remind people, we have a lot of pizza videos.
As long as they come out good and they taste good and people are happy, that's all that matters.
Exactly.
You know, a lot of people out there, they make strong attempts to make pizza and they come out pretty good. And, you know, I like to use this pastry roller here because it just helps me out sometimes if it don't get elasticy, like, you know.
I know, I always get frustrated with dough and it keeps on rolling back. Just have to be patient.
Yeah,
just keep it,
flip it around. I'm gonna start working it from that way.
This could be like equivalent of like a good medium pie, right? Like you get, you know, about the size of it.
Yeah, well, this is only a 16-inch pan, so.
Yeah. A small medium.
Yeah. I think we start doing it, because this is going to pull back in.
Just a good. I think I have a tendency to overdo the sauce when I'm chopping.
Pieces of sausage.
You know, so some of the fans may ask, you know, well, why not? You know, would you not want to do a little cooking first before you put it in? But you're cooking at such a high temp that this will cook right. You know, you're going to be at what, 550?
I'd like to keep it at 550
Yeah.
or 600, doesn't matter.
Or 600, yeah. Add the peppers. Oh.
Yeah.
Just putting pepperoni in there too.
Yeah.
Come on now. Come on now. Okay.
A little bit.
I'll never say no to any kind of garlic.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit of a bite.
So, fresh ground parm.
A little ground parm.
A little bit. A little bit of oil.
Put a little bit more on there.
Yeah, just a little.
All right. Spin it for even cook.
Spin it.
Okay.
Put it right in there.
Right. You should do the honors and have that first bite.
It's just a regular shot.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Right. Oh. Now you gotta do the side bite. You gotta do the side bite because that's you gotta hear that crisp. Crisp of that crust. All right, so there we go. There we go.
just the right amount of crust. Perfect.
Come on.
There you go.
It smells so good. I can smell the peppers. You got the sausages, the pepperoni. You got everything. Oh my god. Every chocolate.
Perfect.
Oh my god. You want to do the side thing? Do the side thing like this, like everybody's like, every video see, but it's true. I need a little bit of that crisp. The undercarriage. Yeah. Oh my god. Perfect. Perfect.
I made this dough this morning. We got the sausage, we got a little pepperoni, and we got sausage and peppers and onions with the moots.
With the moats.
With the moots.
Let me try it out. Let's do a fold.
All right.
Looks good. Smells good.
Oh yeah. So good.
Man.
All right.
Oh.
This is gonna be another one coming up too. Which one are you doing next? You're doing a.
We're gonna do rustico meatballs.
This one's for you, Paulie.
We love you, brother.
For you, man.
Pip Boy for life, as always.
Boys for
This is
life.
for Paulie Walnuts.
Yeah.
Walnuts, babe.
He's gonna show up at his Harley any minute. I'm telling you right now. Slasher, where did you get your love for pizza? When did that all start?
I was born, I guess. Matter of fact, my sisters are all older than me. They're all a lot older than me, and they used to buy pizza all the time from one of the best restaurants in town, and I never got a slice, maybe a half, because they ate it. And I love pizza so much because I never thought I could get enough because they'd never give it to me. I blame them for today. And they,
Whoa! Meatballs over there.
yeah,
See some
Yeah.
bacon.
good. Fancy pork strips.
Recipes that you wake up in the middle of the night and dream of, and then
Yeah, sometimes.
I know.
Sometimes I
you
work
kind of
out.
do that.
A little bit of garlic.
Dried basil. There we go.
Alright.
Ah, look at that, baby.
Let's go.
All right.
Oh man. There we go.
What kind of pizza is this? Hey Joe, what a good kind.
Meatball.
A meatball.
And the
pizza.
onions and the black olives.
Look at this. This is crazy.
And, yeah, put the pig on the pizza.
All right.
That's it.
Let's go. Oh yeah.
Oh man. Ooh, the mooks. I love
The fresh
that
moose.
smoke that's getting in there.
mozzarella, yeah.
Legit, man.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, got a little
Fresh
smoky flavor
mozzarella.
to it.
All right.
And modern ain't gonna give you a smoky pizza.
Yeah.
That's the difference. You do your own with a good little pizza oven like that.
Oh yeah.
You're going to the next level.
He has a nice little hint of smoke.
This
This pizza definitely got wood.
And we're all. And this pizza is not $28, $30. That's what's going on.
Another one you all go to the 50.
Very good job.